Hello, my friends. It is the first of the month. What? I know, it's crazy, right? Well, not only did we release our Stamp and Die Hard Club set for this month, we also have a bundle and these brand new items all on the website. They are add-on items. The best part about them is if you get the bundle, club members, if you get the bundle, you get a free download this month. What? $8 value. If you don't buy the bundle, you can buy this download another time this month. I'm not even going to have it on the website because my bundle peeps get it free. Why? Because I love you. Okay, anyway, I love all my club members, but I just thought it'd be fun. Okay, and I explained it in the other video, but I was going to make it into a stamp, and I'm like, you know what? I can't charge that much money. Like a stamp, I don't know how much we charge for stamps, but I wasn't, because it was going to take like 5 stamp sets, and no, maybe 3. But I was like, no, this is better. So go check it out. Are you ready? Get set. Now, chances are you already saw our awesome aprons. Well, now we have patterns to go on the inside. I know some of you don't like to color, and I have made some awesome patterns on here, and I have lots of samples to share with you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Here we go. We have, here's to a recipe for a fantastic day. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and lots of cake. Together we can make it happen. Let's eat and happy day. Look at that. And a spatula and a whisk. My Die Hard Club members got the dies that match those already. Now, but wait, there's more. Because what if you wanted to do a separate little layering apron, right? So this is like a layering apron, and there's a solid to match. And wishing you were here to spice up my days. You're my secret ingredient. Sending you warmth and comfort. Apron strings of friendship, sturdy and true. Just wanted to say I'm thinking of you. Whisking up warm wishes just for you. Time to rise to the occasion and celebrate. Get it? Bread rises. I know. Okay. Well, I also have dies that match. Now, these dies are on an awesome price. I even threw in a couple extra items. I threw in a rolling pin. I threw in some little extra mitts, oven mitts, and there's a little extra bowl here for your spatula. Why not, right? This is a little tie for the apron, and I gave you 2 different apron layers. So you get just a plain one, but you also have the little ruffle one that matches this. I know, it's awesome. I know, I just kept going. Well, Barbara gave me an awesome idea for a background die, and I ran with it, made it my own design. It's a little different, but it has her initials on it, to BC. It's called an A2 BC background, but it is beautiful. Wait till you see the cutouts. Then in the bundle, and we're releasing today separately, all of these items you can buy separately, is our oven mitt stencil. Now, the oven mitt stencil is also a barbecue mitt, perfect for our barbecue stamps and die sets. Right? Okay. Last but not least, this is why you will want that free digital download. Because, and you know what? I need to just show you what this looks like because you really, really need to see. Now, this one, okay, here it is. It's an A2 card base, but it's also designed to be a recipe card. Now, we do have some creative decks, recipe for creative decks. So you definitely could use those. Those fit perfectly, as you can see, right? But the digital download is a little different, and you're going to love it, and it's free. Here we go, if you buy the bundle. Here we go. This is the A2 card base. It has these cute little ties on the side. I just love those. It just adds a little extra. We've never done something like that before. I love it. And it comes with all of these extra pieces. It comes with a big rolling pin. It comes with the 2 different ones, recipe. It comes with a hand mixer. It comes with a measuring cup. It comes with a fork, knife, and spoon. It comes with shadow dies for the fork, knife, and spoon. I know, can you believe it? So adorable. Look at those forks, knives, and spoon. Measuring cup, I love it. There's my rolling pin. Let's look at some more samples of this one. Here we go. You could do it this way as well. Recipe, you're my secret ingredient. And it could just be a regular card. Does not have to be a recipe card. It can just be a regular card. Doesn't even have to do anything with recipes if you don't want it to. That's how versatile this one is. Here's another one that says recipe. Open it up. Here's to a recipe for a fantastic day. So lots of my design team used the recipes for Creative Deck stamps, just a heads up. But also check out that digital download recipe that my peeps are getting for free if they get the bundle. Ooh, look at this one. Now, this is funny, you guys. I looked at this when Cheryl sent this in, and I said, what's that oval die? I was like, what? And then I had to turn it over. It's our die, of course. It's the braided oval frame. I am so embarrassed I forgot about it. I'm like, I love it even more now. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I had forgotten about it. It's like forgetting one of your children. I was very embarrassed. Luckily, no one was there, but now I just told you, so now you know. Anyway, but look, we got our little rolling pin. We got our spatula and our whisk. We have our cute little oven mitts. Christmas. Time to rise to the occasion and celebrate. Imagine having a cookie party, inviting people over. How cute would this? Look at how cute this step-up card is. Isn't that absolutely adorable? You guys, I have so many samples. Okay, here's the solid stamp set. My friends that don't like to color but want color on their aprons, there you go. Now you could also just stamp and die cut it on a different color paper if you want. But there is some fun idea. One idea with the solid. Ooh, here's the other solids. So adorable, right? Lots of options on those solids. Oh, here's another solid. So you really can have a lot of fun with these and with our ink pads. Our ink pads have a solid foam base. So you'll get a nice, beautiful impression. Look how gorgeous that green is. That's a stamp. Yeah, right? Gorgeous. Oh, with the cute little stamps in there. I love that. Here's another one. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, there's that background. Barbara, look how cute that background turned out. I love it. Love that. So Barbara's getting that die for free because she gave me the idea. Oh, the hearts. I love the hearts around this. Look at that. Let's cook up some fun. I love it. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, oh, here's a stand-up. Dun, 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 stand up. Cookie. It's cookie time. Oh, God. See, I have still all these still to show you. Ooh, here's a fun one on a flip it. Ready, ready, ready. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Using our graceful flip it and one of our edge dies. Love it. Let's see here. Ooh, here's that background. Oh, look at that background, you guys, with glitter paper. Is that glitter? Excuse me. Is that glitter paper behind that? Look at how gorgeous that is. I hope I'm catching the light right because that is so beautiful. Oh, here's that background also. Ooh, using the arch die set from the window set. Oh, I love that. I told you that window set, the arches in that window set, you guys were going to use more than you thought. And look at it. There it is too. Also, Michelle used it quite a bit for just the little pieces for stamping sentiments. Ooh, here's a cute one. Ooh, with our wood stencil in the background. Our wood stencil is from our Fold It Club this month. Look at that. Kiss the Cook. And it's a regular card, you guys. Regular card. It's not just a recipe. It's a regular card. Or you can have it go this way. Ooh, oh, this is, look how cute this is. So it says recipe, and she made this like a little binder clip. So you could put this in your planner. It's a clip. Isn't that cute? Love it. And let's open this up. Ooh, she added some recipe cards in here. How fun. She used our Creative Decks, recipes for Creative Decks. You might want to get that one if you don't have it. But it has all the information on there so you can make your own recipe cards. Also, regarding recipes, my friends, I need you, anyone in your life, anyone, this is important, anyone in your life that has a specialty, like my mom has this breakfast casserole we make every year at Christmas time. That recipe needs to be in my mom's handwriting for future generations, right? Future generations, my boys, when they grow up, my grandsons, when they grow up, I want them to have their great grandma's recipe in her handwriting. So homework for Stephanie, because my mom needs to start making some recipe cards over and over again because I want a couple copies. I know Kirsten will want one. I know Katie wants one. Both boys need one. And now new Lila needs one. We need 5 copies, Mom. Now. My friends, go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you are not a club member, I don't know what to tell you. You can be a club member for only $13.99 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set each month. Then you get 15% off everything I just showed you. And you can get in the bundles also on the first of the month, and 15% off everything on our website. For example, Totally Tiffany items, yes. Spellbinders machines, yes. Cardstock, magnet mats, cutting pads, ink pads, tri-blends, Totally Tiffany bags, everything. 15% off every single day, every single item, every single order. Well, does that include? Yes. Does that include? Yes. There's not one exclusion. Classes, when we do online classes, yeah, 15% off. But some people, some club members get 20% off every single day, every single item, every single order. Go to our website, thestencillife.com, click on join the club and just watch that video, and you can find out how even you could get 20% off every single day, every single item, every single order. I need a t-shirt that says that. Thanks so much, my friends. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.